Hello guys, welcome to Askia Solution channel. In this video, we will talk about how to restart Windows 10 without rebooting. Please watch the video until the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get update from us. The testing restarting Windows to install update fix a temporary annoyance and add new apps in Advent. Luckily, a simple fix exists that most don't realize, and it doesn't require you to restart that. Instead, you are going to kill Windows Explorer temporarily and force it to reboot. Once it does, the computer thinks it's been rebooted and your updates will come to install as well. 1. Right-click the Start menu, press Ctrl Alt Del. 2. Select Task Manager. 3. Find Windows Explorer in the list of processes. 4. Right-click and select Restart. Or right-click and select Restart. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates from us. See you.